Okay guys, we've found a fabulous jug of flowers just on the entrance to Packwood House. So what about painting this? I think we can do it. Let's get started. So hi there guys, today we're at Packwood House, which is a fabulous 18th century building in the centre of England, near Birmingham in fact. Great place. So we've tripped over today, we've popped over and we're going to go into the kitchen garden to see what's available for the table. So follow me. So we've found this fabulous doorway in the cottage garden at Packwood House. So as you see behind me, this is a beautiful one we can paint together, and I'm enjoying it here today. So let's get back to the studio and see what we can do.
Earl of Paris, who also owned a castle and couldn't afford to keep both the houses going and get the staff for them.
So we're outdoors again at Packwood House, and we're in the ornate garden, and you can see the beautiful view behind me of a sunken pond with statues at the far end. Absolutely amazing design. So let's see if we can turn this into a fabulous painting. So it's time to say goodbye to Packwood House, and we've had a great day and a great visit. We've been inside the building and it's been fabulous. We've learnt a lot of history and we've been in the gardens as well. So we've got some great ideas that we can turn into beautiful loose paintings in no time at all. So enjoy your loose journey wherever you may be.